I'm doing my second attempt at a specific design today. This is called the Nautilus Swirl, where you pour it into a divider, a mold with dividers in it, and then you do a Taiwan swirl back and forth, and then you do a circle in each section, so it looks like one of those Nautilus like shells. So this is actually my second attempt. My first one, it was for Island Oasis, that soap. You can go back and watch it. I ended up doing things in a totally different order than I said I was going to do, and then I ended up doing it twice. So go back and watch that video. For this attempt, since I've now done it twice through, my plan is to do one loaf with the One Pot Wonder and then one loaf with the Nautilus Swirl. My plan is to do this one first, and then if I screw it up or something, then I'll stop the video, clean these up, and then set up the other mold to do it. If this goes well and I'm happy with it, then we'll do that, or who knows what's going to happen once I get going, because that's kind of what happens when you're creating something. All right, so this is Black Raspberry Vanilla, which is what I'm doing today. I have my very last bar, and I need to make some more anyway. This is kind of a one pot wonder. I had some wonky things happen with the yellow, which was kind of weird, but I'm going to use the same colors with an addition to this purple Cheshire Cat, because I'm doing this for a challenge and I need to have 6 colors for the category that I'm in, the top category. So for the category I'm in, I have to have 6 colors for that. So I have Black Raspberry Vanilla from Nurture Soap. I have, I'm going to be using, I did use Activate Charcoal here, but I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Mica. It was Rustic Essentials, but now it's owned by Wholesale Supplies Plus. I'm going to use that because it does behave well. Then my pink is actually Red Mica from Brambleberry. It does end up more of a pink. Then there's a no color, which I'll do. Then I have my yellow, which is Banana Boat Yellow from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And then I have my green, which is Kermit Green from Brambleberry. And then Cheshire Cat from Nurture Soap. Now, it's not going to be in this order this time because I really need to have a very obvious difference in those colors since I'm using 6 colors. Because if you just do it kind of as a gradient, then it's not going to be as bright. So my plan for now, it may not happen. For my One Pot Wonder, I'm going to go from yellow to red to black to purple to green and then to white. For this one, my goal is to do white and green in one, black and, I'm looking at my notes, black and purple in one, and then red and yellow in the other. And hopefully that will make some really good colors and a nice differentiation. So anyway, I have my batter and my lye solution all divided in half. I'm going to go ahead and get gloved up, and then we'll be ready to go. ended up doing this in a different order than I had originally planned, and I'm very thankful that I did. When I did the first one, I said I was going to do the One Pot Wonder, but I ended up doing the swirl instead because the batter was super fluid. It was great to work with. And the second loaf, I think I just must have emulsified it just a hair too long because it definitely was a lot thicker. I should have some pretty chunky lines in here for the One Pot Wonder, but this would not have worked for this design. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut this one first, and then I'll divide this one. This one I'll cut just like a normal loaf and cut those down. That one and this one I do have to do a little bit differently. This end piece will be cut off, so I made that really pretty top, and then this will be cut into thirds, and then it will be cut again this way to get that design. So let's go ahead and see what they look like.